Hey, what's up YouTube? Wondering how to prime your car after it's been prepped but don't have a compressor? Optiflow by Eastwood. It's a roll-on primer. Quite impressed with it. Check out the video. Stay tuned. Starting to strip the paint off the roof. Gonna work my way down. Just about finished the 120 grit sanding. Then I can start moving on to these panels, pillars, rocker, and rear end. I'm saving the doors and tailgates for last. If you find you have any adhesives or silicones left in any of the spaces, I use this 3M adhesive remover. You just kind of have to spray it on and wipe it off. It works a little bit better than acetone. It tends not to evaporate as quick. The reason you want to get rid of the silicones and adhesives is because if you don't, it will spread and mush and squish all around with your sandpaper and it'll just make it worse. So get it rid of it right from the start. Okay, awesome. I've got all the jams scuffed up top to bottom, top of the rockers, up to the seam, all around the window wells, all the way around the back to where the rear hatch goes, up into here, just on the face only though, and the passenger side too. Excellent. Okay, everything's been thoroughly sanded, thoroughly cleaned with acetone. I'm going to be using the Eastwood roll-on primer. Comes in a kit. It's a two-part. We're going to be mixing these 1-to-1. Stuck in the box. Optiflow direct to metal epoxy primer. 1:1. I also give you some aerosol cans, 2K. That's my next step after I mask off the stuff I don't want to get paint on. Let's get masking and priming. So I sprayed on with the 2K aerosol in and around the door jambs a whole lot faster than doing it by hand, which I did the first coat. So I did there, the rear, these jambs as well. This still needs second coat. Roof has 2 coats. So I'm gonna go start putting second coat on this. It's looking pretty sweet. I have a few runs, but I guess they'll get cleaned up once I have to block sand the whole thing. So get up in there, that looks good. Pretty happy with it. All right, that's the primer complete. So now you can see all the imperfections, such as where I welded and stitched in the panels. So this is Eastwood's roll-on primer, Optiflow. It's got a cure for 4 days. I'm on day 2, so can't do too much. I thought I'd come check it out. So next steps are guide coat and sanding. Not in here. There's a nice dent right there.